What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and a 2025 price prediction. As you guys know, the overall cryptocurrency market has been slowly but surely rebounding. We're seeing a little bit of a correction today on Sunday, July 25th, 2021. But things like this, the little bit of volatility that I see on the way to the end goal is very, very minute and insignificant. But remember, before I continue on to the video, that I am not a financial advisor, nor do I make these videos for financial advice. Rather, I try to put you guys on the plays that I am in, and one of those is specifically Shiba Inu. So at the time of the recording of this video, we're sitting at 623 Satoshi units, actually down 6% on the day. Which again, for me, when they panic, we pounce. That's my saying, that's what I've been doing throughout the last 2 to 3 months actually, since I started covering Shiba Inu on this channel and started investing in it. And I want to talk about what 10 million Shiba Inu tokens might look like in terms of price in 2025. Because again, that's something that has been circulating due to the fact that usually we see a bull run approximately every 3 years. In 2021 we saw it. In 2024 we're anticipating the next ridiculous bull run. But again, hopefully by that we can kind of look at what previous trends have showed us, some of the technical analysis and price predictions by analysts in terms of what we might see as a 10 million SHIB token or Shiba Inu token price action and price point in 2025. Before I continue, of course, I do want to also mention my Webull link in the description below. If you haven't already, make sure you sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks when you deposit $5 into your Webull brokerage account. Now, the only reason I love Webull so much is the fact that they're fully transparent compared to some of the other brokerages. And in addition to that, they also do offer fractional share purchases as of the beginning of this month. So between now and the end of July 31st, 2021, you can get 2 stocks valued up to $2,300 when you deposit your first $5 into your Webull brokerage account. Now let's go ahead and get started. So just make sure you guys realize there's a lot of articles circulating the internet regarding a Shiba Inu price target. And even for me, I created a price target in terms of the 1 cent, 10 cent. But today I want to give you guys the most realistic price target by 2025 based off what I can kind of see in terms of trends and catalysts that are up and coming for this community. And the fact that we've exceeded all expectations lately and we're looking for additional things to happen moving forward, including maybe as soon as tomorrow an eToro listing and a Coinbase listing and things of that sort as well, and the growth of course of our community and the decentralized exchange that we have, which is SHIBASWAP. So as you guys seen, you probably saw, if we grow at a rate of 20% per month till the year 2025, summer of 2025, we could see a $1 price target or a $1 price for Shiba Inu token. Now, do I think that is very realistic? Probably not. Without a token burn, a community-driven token burn, or a blockchain mediated token burn, I don't think it's possible. Now that we have Bone as a governance token, as part of, as a single option basically, to actually start creating things or coordinating things like a community token burn, maybe it's possible. But what I kind of want to look at is actually a legitimate price target based off of trends and based off of, pretty solid expectations for this cryptocurrency if all goes well for the Shiba Inu community and SHIB token itself. So the current market cap at the time of the making of this video is at 2,467,953,677. The current price being with 5 zeros, 624 Satoshi units. So from the all-time high of 3,600, we're actually down quite a bit. And if we only go back just to return to all-time highs, we're looking at potentially a 600% increase in price. And based off the excitement and everything in terms of the short term, I think it's very realistic to assume that we will return to all-time high prices. And I'm not talking down the stretch end of the year. No, I'm talking potentially the next month to 2 months. Now, for the projected market cap, what I'm looking at is between a $200 billion and a $500 billion market cap. Now, where did I come up with a value like this? So for cryptocurrencies from all-time highs, we saw Dogecoin. Specifically, I want to compare it to Dogecoin because relative to Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, in my opinion, has the potential to exceed Dogecoin's market cap. And again, make sure you guys realize the overall market has to continue going on a bull run, and we need to see Bitcoin passing $1 trillion again. We need to see Ethereum passing $500 billion market cap. That's my expectation. But truly, what I think is we're going to surpass Dogecoin specifically. And again, I'm an investor in Dogecoin, so I'm not trying to bag on them whatsoever. But What I'm trying to say is the fact that we have a decentralized exchange, the community is growing at a rate much higher than Dogecoin in terms of similar time spans and time trends. Dogecoin reached about a $100 billion market cap, 85 billion I think it was. And do I think that we can double that or maybe even triple it in terms of market cap based off the fact that we have a decentralized exchange, the DEX? Yes, we don't have an Elon Musk backing our cryptocurrency, but hey, who's to say that we won't have someone very similar in stature and influence on board? We don't know an answer to that quite yet, but just something like that can also continue to progress and push this token forward because we are no longer a meme currency. We are a token, a cryptocurrency that has viable uses. It has, a proof of concept, and it has some true potential, especially with the DEX coming out and the ability to start staking your cryptocurrencies on it. Staking meaning, again, because of its proof of stake, that means you're helping validate the blockchain transactions, which you get rewarded for. So we can touch on that later in a different video. But of course, you guys know people have been seeing fantastic returns in the liquidity pool, and they have seen pretty decent returns in terms of berry rewards when it's, again, 100% passive income, which keeps investors excited and coming back for more. Now, going back to the spreadsheet. So projected market cap, if it's 200 billion to 500 billion, we are looking at a projected price of about 6,200 or 62,400 Satoshi units and 0.001 cents. So a tenth or a 100th of a penny. And this is assuming a 100x to 200x in current market cap. So 10 million Shiba Inu tokens today is valued at $64.20. 10 million Shiba Inu tokens in July of 2025, solely based off of the fact that I truly think that this is a very realistic price prediction based off of previous trends and also upcoming catalysts, short and long term. Shibarium coming on the way, adopting our own blockchain could be an absolute game changer. So the most realistic price target that I can give is between $6,240 in terms of valuing 10 million SHIB token to $12,000, which again is approximately a 200x return on your investment. Now, if you could tell me anything else that can give you that same ROI in 4 years, show me, because I want to be on board, because I don't know if there's any other opportunities like this one. Of course, there are other cryptocurrencies that might yield very similar returns in maybe a shorter amount of time, but in terms of Shiba Inu and the community that we have, this is what I'm predicting. Now, there's a huge caveat that I want to add. Wait, what if we grow at 5% per month through 2025? So again, compounded interest. Compound interest will play if we continue to grow at 5% per month, monthly, compounded monthly. We are looking at, actually, based off some of the other price predictions that you guys saw circulating, a 1,602x. Now, since May, all-time highs, we've seen a correction. And in my opinion, seeing something like this, a consistent green after green after green month through 2025 is not the most realistic. But is it possible? 100%. And I will say never, ever, never, ever doubt the power of a community-driven cryptocurrency or the internet. Because together, when we come together as a collective, we have the potential to push things out that nobody else would expect. And the day that Shiba Inu might hit 1 cent, might hit 10 cents, might hit $1, a lot of the naysayers will say that's impossible. But it's only impossible if the community, spreads away, basically does not come together collectively. But the fact that we have a governance token that gives us all a voice, if we decide on a crypto, on a circulating supply burn, or if we decide that we want to do a community burn together, anything is possible. So a 1602x being a market cap of 3,955,053,969,551 would be able to get us to that 1602x in price, which today would mean if you bought Shiba Inu today at $64 with 10 million tokens, that 10 million tokens will yield you that's too many zeros. It's actually $100,000. So my apologies there. Let me just take those off so nobody, is misled whatsoever. So again, just giving you guys my projections based off of market cap, and again, this top one here is my realistic and extreme bullish if we get to a cent. This is a 1 cent price target based off of literally no token burn, just 5% per month. We'd get to $100,000 from our current investment of 64, which is just absolutely astronomical and insane. But never underestimate the internet. I'm making these videos as timestamps because we can come back and say, hey, was he even in the ballpark, or what happened? So again, I really appreciate everybody that's been tuning into the videos. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, smash that like button so we can get it out to more people, because the more people that are building awareness, of course, the better. And thank you so much for tuning in today. And until next time, everybody, keep investing.